Hello, fabulous artists and fellow art enthusiasts. Welcome back to Easy Peasy Art. Today we're diving feet first into the cozy world of fall boots, the ultimate fall weather essential. So grab your art supplies and let's get those creative boots on. To begin, we'll start with two semicircles, snuggled up right next to each other. Now it's time to give them that unmistakable boot shape. Extend those lines upwards with a round and comfy top edge. Ah, don't they look like the coziest and warmest companions for those chilly autumn strolls? But wait, there's more warmth to add. Layer on a thick woolen padding at the top for that extra snug feeling. Imagine the toasty comfort. Now let's sprinkle some fall magic. Those fallen leaves in all shapes and sizes. Let's tuck them inside our boots. Get creative. Add big ones, small ones, and make them curve and twist as you like. It's all about capturing the essence of fall. To set the stage for our boots, we'll introduce another star, a puddle of water around our boots. After all, fall and rain go hand in hand, right? It's the perfect touch to complete our fall vibes. And of course, scatter some leaves here and there, drifting gently in the breeze. Now it's time to bring our drawing to life with vibrant fall colors. Give those boots a warm orange glow. And add sunny yellow highlights to the front part. Make the woolen padding a rich dark green hue that just screams comfy. Now for the leaves. Dive into deep shades of brown, rich yellows, oranges, and all the magnificent fall colors you adore. And don't forget to make the water puddle a classic blue. It's the finishing touch that ties it all together. Ta-da! Our lovely fall boots art is ready to charm your socks off. And speaking of charms, if you had a blast creating this autumn masterpiece with us, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. So keep those creative juices flowing and we'll catch you in our next delightful art adventure. Happy drawing, my friends!